soft start, and we are in for a soft start. For a change today, the pre-open rates, or the adjusted pre-open rates, are exactly in line with the market open. 16 points off for the Nifty, 17 points off for the Nifty. For the Sensex, a very, very flat start. Let's start with cement, because ACC numbers came during the market hour. Numbers were not all that impressive, but look at the strength in cement. Ambuja numbers came after the bell. One would say numbers were above estimates. 203 for Ambuja. So cement has been as a group, has been an exceptionally strong and a performing group, and there is every reason to believe that strength is here to stay, because brokerages and fund managers and technical experts, the entire world is bullish on cement. ITC and TCS, they both are due to declare numbers today. What's the update there in the run-up to the result? ITC has been a strong stock, and TCS has been a flat stock. 1290 for TCS, 1292 for TCS now. Let's look at some banks, and especially PSU banks, the big ones: State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank. That's Punjab National Bank for you, which is at 832. And if I map Bank of Baroda, that's at 798. What about smaller mid-cap banks now? Dena Bank, UCO Bank. Rapid price action is happening in Dena Bank. A lot of give and take is also happening in Union Bank. And I see there is definitely an uptick of volume activity when it comes to UCO Bank as well.
It's quiet, absolutely, when it comes to the broader market. So while the headline indices may not show you any move, and it's a very quiet start there as well, a lot of individual stocks are reacting to the news flow and, of course, some result reactions. First to the stock of the day, and that indeed has to be Indian Hotels. Bring up that one up for you, because they've launched a hostile bid for Orient Express. They're looking at investing about $650 million to acquire Orient Express Hotels, and the stock has started off sharply lower, down by about almost 3% or so. A couple of other stock reactions, or rather result reactions. Ambuja Cement, the PAT had actually come in lower than what the markets were expecting. Ambuja, though, has started off with a gain of about 1%. You've got Hindustan Zinc too, which again is reacting to its earnings this morning. That has started off in the green. Gujarat and Coke, Persistent Systems are some other mid-caps that came out with their earnings. And that's a stupendous move coming in for Gujarat and Coke. 10% higher, small base stock, but nonetheless a good move. And Persistent Systems as well is higher by about 6.5%. I want to see what Exide is up to after the recent price hikes they've taken, the stock being at an all-time high, and the earnings slated to come out today. Exide is going to be extremely crucial to watch out for. 163 is where the stock is. The Entertainment, Petronet LNG, as well as ING Vesta Bank are other companies which are slated to come out with their earnings. Mahindra Satyam, that may be one stock that you would want to monitor, considering now they're studying the implications of the CBI order on the fixed deposits, which was scathed yesterday. Watch out for L&T as well, because global funds, it seems, are now lining up for L&T's infra stake, which is an arm of L&T, and that is something you read in the Economic Times. First this morning, it seems like the equity valuation for L&T Infra is expected to cross $2 billion US. So L&T is going to be in focus, though the stock has started off a little soft, down by about 0.3%.